Hi, it's Terri from CreateScrapbooks.com, and I have the new Paper Posies 2013 March kit. I just updated their website for them, and so I've got the complete kit here except for the altered item, which was not chosen yet when I received my kit. So that will be on the website if you'd like to see it at paperposies.com. And let me show you what's in the kit. So I guess I'll go through the cardstocks first. So you always get 2 sheets of cardstock per color in the Paper Posies kits. So you've got 2 shades of blue, a brown, and a red this month. These all coordinate with all of the papers in the kit. And then the pattern papers are a lot of fun. They're from the Lucky Charm collection. Dear Lizzy American Crafts. This first one is like a 4x6 grid design that you could cut apart or use as is. This one says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The back B-side has hearts and it's a really cute design. Next one again, Lucky Charm Pretty Poppies. This first one, sorry, was Lucky Coin. This one's a floral pattern and then a stripe pattern. And I love the small strip at the bottom with the hearts. This one is called Collector. Wild Hearts. This one's got some text in the heart. And the strip at the bottom says Love You More. This one's Lucky You. Falling Star. I really like this pattern on the back. It says Love You to the Stars and Back. This one's Pretty Painterly. It's got some music at the bottom. Starlight. And Doting Dots. Really like this. This is awesome. Alright, so those are the papers. Then you've got 2 sets of alphabets, which she always puts in the kits, which I love. You can never get enough alphabets, right? This one's October Afternoon, Mini Market stickers, and teal and black. And these are the thickers from the Charm collection. And they're foam. Then you're getting a whole spool of ribbon from American Crafts. I got the chevron that's yellow. A package of Maya Road tulle flowers in cherry red, and they've got bling in the center. These are some fun envelopes. These are pearls from Queen & Company, and they're in brilliant blue. Some Elle Studio cut-aparts. And these are great. They say all about this moment, note to self, date. This is so noteworthy. Weekend, this is life, photo notes, date, place, hello. Great for project life. And then some Dear Lizzy rub-on transfer sheets. They say a laugh is a smile that bursts. Remember, high five, remember that one time. So you get those 2 sheets in that package. And of course the altered item, which you can find at paperposies.com. And that's it for this kit. Thanks guys, have a good day.